Hi, I'm Bryan and I'm a sales consultant with Aristocrat Mercedes-Benz in Kansas City. And today I wanted to show you the digital instrument cluster on the all-new for 19 CLS 450. And to access it, first you press your home button, and then that brings up a series of menus that you can show in your center display. And with your black touch button, you can slide your finger back and forth to show the various items that you can display. Once you select the item, you tap down on the black button, and in this case we're in the trip mode, and the blue buttons on the side show you that there's various windows. So as I scroll up, you'll see that I'll change the display. I can also change the designs of the digital display. Again, press the home button, scroll over to the far right, which is our list of designs, tap down, and then presently we're in the classic mode. If I scroll up to the sport mode, tap down, then it changes the display. Classic, there's also a progressive as well. I can also change what's shown in the right side of the display. First, I'll go back to the classic mode. If I scroll to the right, you'll see I've highlighted my right dial, and the various buttons there show me the various things that I can show. Navigation, there's also fuel economy, my trip meters as well. This is a G meter along with my tachometer. Press my home button again to bring up my menu. I can show things such as the radio. When I tap down on that, now I'm in the radio mode, and I can change radio stations by just scrolling up and down. If I tap down a second time in the radio mode, then I can change from AM, FM, and also Sirius radio. And that's how our digital instrument cluster operates in the new CLS.